Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram account suspension. Also, if you're interested in Instagram marketing, growing your account and making money from Instagram, check out our free Instagram resources and newsletter below. But now let's see how to fix Instagram account suspension. If you find that your account was suspended for no reason, here's what you can do. Tap on the button that appears that says Appeal and fill out the necessary information. It's going to ask you for details such as your email and your phone number. After this, you will see that your appeal has been submitted and is under review. Sometimes you have to wait for about 24 hours before a decision is made. If your account is determined to be following community rules after all, you will be able to log in and use it again. Alright, so this is how to fix an Instagram account suspension.
I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to check out our Make Money with Instagram checklist for free, or the Instagram Growth Checklist, other Instagram marketing resources and deals. Also, we have a free weekly Instagram marketing newsletter for which you can sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial was not up to date, make sure to check out our more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well, which you can also find in the video description below.